Hello, and welcome to the Guest Engagement Platform. This new application replaces Customer Connection, allowing dealers to easily view, update, request a case extension, or request closure. This new application helps facilitate a timely response and resolution of customer cases. So let's get started. GST and SET dealers, please use the same method you do today to access this new application, as it will not change when you go live. TMNA, Toyota, and Lexus dealers, using your customer menu just like you do today, you can access the Guest Engagement Platform. When it first launches, it will still be called Customer Connection from the menu, but clicking on it will take you to the new application. Later, it will be updated to show as the Guest Engagement Platform. Here is the new home screen for managing cases. Clicking this icon or home will always bring you to this screen. From this drop-down, you can see your basic user information, messages, and log off. And this section is the main function of the home screen. Here are all your cases that have been assigned to your dealership. Here is the case number you are familiar with, which still uses year, month, day, and a 6-digit number. It is what the customer is given. Next to that is an ID field that is generated by the new application, which you can click to take action on your cases. Moving on, type status, customer, vehicle, owner, date, and region area all display. Any of these column headers can be sorted ascending or descending by clicking. They can also be resized by dragging the center line, or choose if the column data should wrap from the drop-down. The changes you make here are saved, so the next time you log in, you don't have to do it again. This icon allows you to refresh. This allows you to edit if a single record is displaying, and the drop-down arrow on the far right is another way to edit the case or reassign the case to another CRM at your dealership. Simply select the owner name and click Submit. At the top, you can use this search to look for any ID or case number, for example, from the list. From this drop-down, choose the cases assigned to you, to your dealership, or more options. The same access and individuals that are assigned to manage cases today will remain the same when using this new application. As you can guess, any item in blue is a hyperlink that could be clicked for more information. Clicking the ID will open the case, the customer name shows their information on a detailed screen, then shows details of the vehicle or owner details. The type status is an important column. Here is a new case assigned from a representative to the dealership. Here is a case with a closure requested, and here is a case with an extension requested. Finally, this section on the right is the customer search. Search by first, last, or company along with city, state, or zip. Partial entries work for name, or use phone to search. Results display on a new page. When you find the case you want to work with, for example, one assigned, click the ID to open it, same as editing the case. General information or highlights display at the header along with action buttons. Hover on anything in blue to see a pop-up. Below that are sub-tabs with supporting information. Active users, which lists your dealer users, are here. Let's look at the sub-tabs. Details is the information about the case with the description at the bottom. Options to request extension or begin the closure process are all available from this detail screen or from the action buttons. The Attachments tab allows you to upload items such as pictures, documentation, etc. Most picture and file formats are supported for upload. Click to upload or drag and drop the files. Case history shows the life cycle of the case, which can be important. Approval history shows the status of requests such as extensions or closures. And finally, activities shows completed actions as well as items that need to be completed, such as no dealer response for Toyota dealers, in which case they need to mark the task complete before they can request for case closure. This section, that is available from every tab that we have looked at, is where you can log an activity to your case. This is how you document calls and interactions with customers. Enter a comment and select the type. As you can see, there are many options such as an email exchanged with a customer, a warranty inquiry, or callback. Then select how the communication took place, via customer, dealer, or field. Then select Save to add that log of activity to the case. Let's quickly look at requesting an extension, which will need to be approved by your region. This is not an option for Lexus dealers. You can click Edit to get a pop-up to request the extension, or simply scroll down in Details. Click on anything with a pencil icon to make edits. For an extension, I will edit the requested due date and reason for extension and then click Save. The extension request is sent for approval and the status of my extension is shown on the home screen. Now let's look at a request for case closure. For Lexis users, the Case Manager will perform this function. Like we did for the case extension, you can scroll down in Details and enter the condition, cause, and remedy, or CCR here. Or from the top, click Edit and perform the closure process from here. Or more simply, I can just click Request for Closure. As you can see, there are a lot of ways to accomplish your needed tasks. Enter or update my fields that are already entered, and click Save. Closure sends a request to the region and they will approve the closure and complete the parent case. Once approved, the case updates to a status of closed. Whether the case is closed or not, if you want to see all the information condensed, like a case activity report, click the Printable View button. It opens in a new tab. View it or print it from the controls at the top. Wrapping up, if you need more information, please access the new Dealer Daily training and deployment site from the region area messages and look for the Guest Engagement Platform tab for this video, reference guides, and FAQs for both dealers and field. Thank you for watching.